Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss about the some basics of the solid state ionic material and devices. As we know that there are two types of the electrical conductivity, that is electronic and ionic. The electronic conductivity is occurred due to the migration of electrons present in the outermost orbits of a of the materials, or we can say metals. But in the situation is different for the in the case of the ionic conductivity. The ionic conductivity occur due to the migration of ions in the solid state. The branch of science and technology which discuss about the motion of the ions in solid state is known as the solid state ionics or fast ion conductors. These materials can be classified on the basis of the mobile ionic species, or sodium ion conductor, lithium ion conductor, silver ion conductors, and so on, or on the basis of their microstructural property. The solid state ionic materials have various advantages over the liquid electrolyte, such as the corrosion, portability, there is no leakage, and high electrochemical window, and designer material. We can design the material in different shape and sizes, moldability, etc. On the basis of the microstructure property, these materials can be classified into the crystalline or polycrystalline electrolyte, composite electrolyte, glassy electrolyte, or polymer electrolyte. For the normal ionic conductor, the ionic conductivity about 10 to power minus 10 to 10 to power minus 12 Siemens per centimeter. For the fast ion conductors are super ionic conductors, solid electrolytes having sigma ionic at the rate of 10 to power minus 3 to 10 to power minus 1 Siemens per centimeter. Now we will discuss all the category of this their classification separately. First we will discuss about the crystalline upon polycrystalline solid electrolyte. This solid electrolyte usually contain two sublattices, a rigid cage like skeleton which enclosed a molten sublattice which facilitates the smooth or fast ionic movement. These materials provide a essential rigid framework channel along which the one ionic species of solid can be moved. The ionic transport is majorly governed by the jumping or hopping mechanism. High ionic conductivity has been achieved as a result of highly disordered sublattice structure. In this case, the number of available sites for their hopping or jumping is much larger than the number of ions. Now we will discuss about the glassy or amorphous material. The glassy materials are prepared by quenching the molten mixture of the glass former, metal oxide, glass modifier, and dopant salt to prevent the crystallization. The glass former is a rigid, providing rigid framework and vitreous nature to the matrix, and glass modifier changes the structure of the glassy. The dopant salt predominantly supplies the mobile cation for the conductivity. They have various advantages over the crystalline solid electrolytes, such as absence of grain boundary, conduction, ease of moldability, wide range of composition variability, etc. The composite, the third case of this type of materials are composite or disperse phase electrolyte. The composite can be defined as the material consisting of two or more chemically different phase prepared by a distinct interface which have significantly different physical and chemical property. The individual component remains separated and distinct within the final structures. The composite electrolyte are in fact multi-phase material and typically two or more than two-phase system. They are extensively used in making aircraft, electronic packaging to the medical equipment, space vehicle as a active material for the solid state electrochemical devices also. The fourth case is the polymer electrolyte, which is the very important category of these. The polymer electrolyte will be prepared generally by dissolving the suitable ionic salt in the high molecular weight polymer matrix. The flexibility of the polymer backbone and elasticity of the polymer matrix play an important role in controlling the overall conductivity of the system. Generally, it can be seen that in the polymer electrolyte, cation of the dopant salt weakly interacting with the heteroatom of the polymer backbone and facilitate high ionic conduction in the matrix. They exhibit electrochemical desirable property over the electrolytes such as other electrolytes such as good mechanical property, reasonable high ionic conductivity, low electronic conductivity, ion mobility in different phase. The classification of polymer electrolyte can be given here. Here we can say there are four types of the polymer electrolyte: solvent-free polymer salt complex. Prepared this can be prepared with thin film solution cast technique. A polymer base and iron salt are dissolved in the carbon salt, so slow evaporation of the solvent. Solvent polymer. Polymer hot swell with when it is dissolved in a solvent. Ionic motion in solvent-rich solent region. Conductivity depends upon the concentration of the solvent in solent region. Polymer whose repeating unit bear an electrolyte group. Group dissociate into aqueous solution, making the polymer charged. Gel electrolyte, addition of low molecular weight fraction solvent. Low molecular weight of the fraction of solvent to the polymer then assisted the ionic conduction. This is the synthesis route of the some polymer electrolytes. This is the matrix. This is the lithium salt plus high molecular weight polymer. This is the solvent. This is the example of polyethylene oxide. We can say the cation of the salt is interacted by weakly to the cation of electronegativity atom of the polymer backbone, and anion is free to move. These are the different polymer matrix. This is the ion source. These are the some possible application of the solid polymer electrolytes. So these polymer electrolytes can be used in various application. There is the supercapacitor, chemical sensor, fuel cell, solar cell, electronic storage devices, high energy density lithium batteries, electrochemical devices, etc. So this is the burning field of the polymer electrolytes. They are used in the electrochemical and energy storage devices. Thank you very much.